Hello, this is Karissa Lee, and this is my culturally responsive library project. I work in an early childhood education program in North Phoenix. I am the lead teacher of a classroom of 4 and 5-year-olds. There are 14 children in my class. Here are the pictures of the books that I used for my audit. I inherited this library and I will be making changes as funds come available. I was very disappointed. The categories are gender and race, family structure, settings, disabilities, religion, economic diversity, and language. As you can see with gender, my mirror and windows is pretty right on. I did want to add a few more a main character for females. So I really like the series of that Audrey Bennett has put out. So I picked two of those, Ada Twist and I Am Enough, and Sophia Valdez. Race, my books are for white, they're right on. Um, non-human, I have 0 in my room, but I do have quite a few books. I was missing Middle Eastern and Native American. There's a little, but not a little. So these are the books that I chose for those. Fry Bread, Papa and Me, and for Pakistani Middle Eastern, I picked Yasmin, The Proudest Blue, My Food, Your Food, Our Food. Family structure was pretty close, showed pretty much mirrors what is in my classroom. I did find through this that I wanted to add some books on divorce. And while I was looking for those, I found one that was Two Moms, Two Houses. I just thought that was really interesting, and I loved the little snippet that they put on the back of the book, which said, "Love from a mom is the best love of all. When you have two moms, two houses, there's love wall to wall." I added adopted into a family and single parent also. Setting, you can see in my classroom that we all live in a desert, and most are suburban. In my library, there's mostly rural. So these are the books that I chose. I really liked the Where Do You Live? That covers characteristics of rural, urban, and suburban communities, and then a couple additional ones. Here, I really wanted to highlight deserts because I live in the desert, and so do my children. So I picked Hello, Arizona, Bedtime in the Southwest, Guess Who's in the Desert? Disabilities. I did not do a graph for this one as it wouldn't show anything. I have no disabilities in my classroom currently, and in my library, I thought I had one, and when I looked at it closer, wouldn't really consider that one. So I would go with 0 and 0. These are the ones I picked. So for disabilities, wheelchair, um, a child with special needs, a child with cerebral palsy, and then you'll see the What Happened to You book. Religion. There is no books in my classroom on religion currently, and my classroom religions are currently unknown. I picked these books because they represent more than one religion, and I thought that, that equality there would help, especially in a public school. So I have My Religion, Your Religion. It looks like Christian, Jewish, and Muslim. Economic diversity. This is not, as far as poverty and low income is not shown in my current classroom. I have one child who is on scholarship, and you'll see them represented there I have two, you'll see, and then the rest are middle to high income. But I really want my children to know what is outside of their homes, so in their current neighborhood. So I added Saturday at the food pantry, or I'm showing you, want to add Maddie's fridge, where Maddie's embarrassed because there isn't a whole lot in her fridge. And then home, which tells of two children who are homeless. Language. Most of the children are English speakers, but I do have 3 Spanish speaking children, and I only have 2 Spanish books. These books looked really, I love the bilingual books so that the kids can read together, the English and the Spanish. So I picked How Are You? The Color of His Own, Rain, Rain, and I'm sorry, it's just Rain, and Let's Go Visiting. And then, as I have kind of shared before, as far as the windows and mirrors, some good windows, but not enough in the other categories. It falls fairish because I just don't think there's enough window books. Mirror books. I've got gender for males and females, and race is probably a fair mirror, and all other categories fall into not good because there just is not enough for a mirror for my liking. And then these were 2 extra books that look really good, and I am going to beg and plead and see if I can't get these. These are language books also, but kind of fall into cultural diversity all at the same time. So I really liked that. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and to all of my fellow students, good luck with your classes and your future endeavors.